Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Gong-myung's fortune analysis. There is a request for an analysis of Gong-myung's fortune. It's his fortune to have both cuteness and handsomeness at the same time. So what kind of structure is it? Let's analyze it together. Gong-myung is ocean in his fortune. The sea changes a lot with water, steam, and ice. There is no place that can't go anywhere, so it has a great ability to collect information. Right below the letter that refers to himself is perception of his spouse. Gong-myung recognizes his spouse as a friend, and this is a letter that makes you feel more attractive as you look at it. Gong-myung is good as an actor, but the more you see it, the more attractive it is. The better log structure that can appeal to people even if you appear on various programs. The first thing that stands out in Gong-myung's fortune is the union of two letters. One of the letters in union means handsome, and the other means cute. Handsomeness and cuteness combined to create a cute, handsome man. It's an interesting structure. There's this aspect, but if the two letters did not unite, perhaps Gong-myung would have been greedy for a degree because he wanted to continue his studies. Gong-myung is a person who needs to be well directed as an actor. For the time being, it's better to stop being greedy about areas where you want to show your skills and work hard on dramas or other programs. In particular, he is very good at instant judgment and wit and is very competitive. So he will do well as a program or host with a game that determines the outcome. From the late 30s, things will work out well, so he will be more active. And after his 40s, he will be more active as if his own word has come. Besides the letters given, there is luck that comes in and out every 10 years, and it is a good fortune that awaits him. He has a good disposition as an action actor, so it's good to learn good martial arts. Since his wife plays a good role, he will be more successful if he listens to her well. I'm going to finish the analysis, looking forward to his further development. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.